G'day and welcome to Ear Deals. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing for you the Phonak RemoteControl. The Phonak RemoteControl links with the Phonak Audeo Marvel range, the Phonak Virto Marvel range and the Phonak Bolero Marvel range. These are the receiver in the canal devices, the custom-made devices and the behind-the-ear devices. If you don't own a smartphone and you would like to make simple adjustments to your hearing aid, please stick around because we've got plenty to talk about. So here we have the Phonak RemoteControl unboxing. When we open up the small box here, you're presented with the Phonak RemoteControl with a handy lanyard on the end. Now that can go around your wrist or you can tie it to something. You take it out, just put that to the side there. You've got three buttons. Now your three buttons are the plus, which increases volume. You've got the minus, which decreases volume. And then you've got a button at the bottom here, which gives you the ability to switch through additional manual programs that your audiologist has preset on your hearing aids. So you simply just keep pressing that through as you're going through those programs. If we turn over the remote, there's a little tab here, so when you first get the device you'll have to pull that out, and that's what gives it power because there's a little battery in there. And then when you're not using it, you've just got the switch on the side here which goes up and down. It's just a little toggle switch, and you'll notice that it goes green inside there, and that's how you know that it's on. So there's your Phonak remote unboxed. At Ear Deals, all our hearing aid prices are available online in full transparency, alongside our free hearing aid service package. To see our prices online, please visit www.eardeals.com.au. Our standard of testing includes real ear measurement or REMs. Ear Deals conducts a full diagnostic free hearing test, so you know that the quality of our testing matches the quality of our big brand hearing aids. Finally, Ear Deals has the National Safety and Quality Health Service standard. We are one of only a few hearing clinics who have this high level of accreditation in Australia.